everyone. This is Rituparna. My short name is and my childhood name is Reshmi. I've started the Art of Cooking website, and I wanted to put together an introduction video introducing myself. So you must be wondering why we start this video with a word called yay. Well, there is a short story behind this. The word yay is very, very close to my heart. Me and my brother grew up cheering over different kinds of victories from time to time, and we acknowledged it by the expression yay. So that's where we come from. That's a little story behind the yay, cheering for everything. So, getting this a happy start, I want to introduce myself. I got my school education in an industrial town back in India. Rourkela, and then moved from my college education to pursue my education as a geologist in Calcutta, West Bengal, where we get a lot of good street side food. Then after a few years, I moved to the States, where I pursued my higher education in Earth, Space, and Environmental Sciences. A large part of atmospheric and oceanography subject areas were covered. I've been in the field a lot, collecting a lot of samples, rocks, fossils, minerals, gemstones, and throughout my grad school out here, I have been also exploring a lot of natural species. I was very fond of geobiology and paleontology and sedimentology. Along with that, along with all my education, I pursued a lot of my hobbies as well. My career started here as a faculty at the City University of New York, teaching undergraduate and graduate kids. And then I moved over to the publishing industry, where I helped scholars publish their scientific contributions in various different journals and books. I've also served as board members in a lot of the journals where I have been able to give my advice on the different types of topics in my field of study. I'm also working in the life and health science area. I do a lot of research in this area, and that's where my story begins. This website called The Art of Cooking, I founded on 6th of January, which is the happy birthday of my dad. This website covers all different types of recipes, starting from appetizers to breakfast to meals to smoothies and different types of beverages. I've put up some photographs here, like you see the chowlet, the bitter gourd, then some kebabs, some very quick recipe with tortillas. I made some pizza here, and then these are some semolina cakes, and lots of other recipes that I've put together have some larger health significance here. From time to time, I'm posting my recipes on the Facebook webpage, The Art of Cooking. Do follow them there. These are some great street side food in Kolkata. It's called Golgappa. These are the junk foods I love. Well, the healthier part of the food, like I learned baking, grilling, and broiling out here. So a lot of the time that I save with cooking is by broiling or baking. So I marinate different types of veggies like Brussels sprouts, asparagus, cauliflower, broccoli, carrots, and any other veggies, crunchy veggies that you like, and I bake them in the electric range oven. I also cook a lot of Asian food, but that said, I also take interest in cooking Oriental and continental food and different types of restaurant recipes as well. My other goal is really to explore some of the vegetables that I grew up not liking very much, like spinach, beetroot, carrots, and make some good recipes out of those. I also help in party cooking. Helping in the sense is really contributing to potluck parties like everybody does. And some recipes like kebabs, biryanis, Thai curry, khichdi, which I recently learned is our national food of India. I cook them in different kinds of occasions and festivities. Some street side food like Mughlai paratha, puri, and Bengalis luchi. Those are some of my most favorite junk foods that I like, and of course pizza. Well, fish is omega fatty acids, and all of you know it's very, very healthy. Many people don't eat fish at all, well, because it contributes to the environmental side of life. Well, these are live animals, so many people don't like to have fish or meat. But that said, when we grill fish, when we bake fish, or when we cook it as a curry, they taste awesome, and fish has really some great health benefits and keeps the heart and the blood regulation very well, and really keeps your heart and blood pressure under control. I love smoothies. I have tried banana smoothies and strawberry smoothies and carrot and orange smoothies, and I have started really exploring a lot of the different beverages which are good for the health. So from time to time, do look at my Facebook webpage, The Art of Cooking, and do visit my YouTube channel and see my recipes up there. Feel free to leave some feedback up there. I will be holding some workshops from time to time, educating everybody about what kind of food is good for people who are suffering from heart diseases, or people who are suffering from diabetes or any other diseases. Well, I'm not a health expert, not a licensed nurse practitioner or a doctor, but I take serious interest in research, and my PhD in earth and environmental sciences, and my continued interest in the life and health science research area makes me really more and more expert at this field. Well, the more knowledge that I acquire in this field, I would like to disseminate it to everyone, share it with everyone, and I hope we can stay connected over time about how food can really contribute to a greater part of everybody's life in a healthy manner, helping us to live a healthy lifestyle and be productive at the same time, staying busy throughout the day. Thank you so much for listening, and I hope everybody enjoys my YouTube channel. Please feel free to subscribe to the channel, and let me know if you have any questions. I'm available through the Facebook webpage, The Art of Cooking. All right, goodbye, and we'll speak again soon. Bye-bye.